Hi, welcome to Waiterio. In this video, I would like to show you how to add an extra topping option on your menu. A topping for a dish is called an extra in the Waiterio app. You can add an extra or topping to any item on the menu, or the entire category of the menu. For example, if you want to add an extra topping like olives to an item of the menu margarita, you can follow these steps. From the Waiterio app, select the Menu tab. As an example, tap on the item margarita, tap on Extras, enter the name of the extra, enter the price of the extra. You can enter 0 for free extra, then tap on Save. Now you will be able to use the extra when you place a new order. You can also add an extra option to the entire category of the menu. Let's try ordering using our extra option. From the Orders tab, tap on the button New Order or the plus button. For example, tap on the item margarita to add it to the order. The options are located here on the 3 vertical dots. Tap on plus olives to add the extra. Sometimes customers ask for special changes to a dish that aren't already listed as an extra. You can add a note to any item from an order for this special one-time request. Tap on Send to send the order to the kitchen and other devices of your restaurant. There you have it, a short video about how to add an extra topping option on your menu. Thank you very much and have a great day.